How to make money as a teenager in 2023. Have you ever dreamt of being the teenage genius who's making bank while others are struggling with allowances? Imagine being that wonder kind who's not just acting classes but is also an entrepreneurial prodigy. Well, guess what? Today, you're about to unlock the vault containing secrets that can catapult you into the world of financial independence before you even get to college. Get ready to dive into an exhilarating adventure as we unravel 10 mind-blowing, lesser-known, and incredibly lucrative ways for teenagers to earn money in 2023. Grab a pen and some snacks, and hold on to your seats, because this journey is going to be nothing short of epic. Now, before we get into the meat and potatoes of this treasure trove of opportunities, let's take a brief moment to understand why this is crucial for you as a teenager. You see, the world is evolving at lightning speed, and it's not just about pocket money anymore. It's about laying the foundation for your empire. Yes, you heard it right. With the secrets we're about to unveil, you have the golden ticket to building a 6 or even 7-figure income before you hit your 20s. Imagine the possibilities: traveling the world, investing, creating ventures, and living life on your own terms. And it's not just about the money, it's about cultivating a mindset of growth, innovation, and financial wisdom. These secrets are your gateway to unleash your fullest potential. So if you've ever dreamt of making an impact and achieving financial freedom, then every second of this video is premium, life-altering information you won't find just anywhere. Keep your eyes peeled and your mind open. Let's dive into the first big secret. Number 1. Virtual assistant services. In this era of remote working, let's talk about something that's fast becoming a game changer: virtual assistants. Becoming a virtual assistant is akin to becoming the backbone of a business. It's a role where our top-notch organizational and communication skills can be put to the test and rewarded. From answering emails to scheduling appointments, a virtual assistant's role is dynamic and integral to a business's smooth functioning. What's even more enticing is the flexibility that comes with being a virtual assistant. We can work from the comfort of our homes, and more often than not, on our own schedule. Plus, think about the diversity of businesses we'll get exposed to. This could be our first step into the corporate world, building essential skills and networking with professionals. Number 2. Developing mobile apps. Imagine creating a mobile app that becomes an integral part of people's lives. Such is the power of coding and app development. By creating a unique and useful app, we have the potential to reach and influence millions of people. So how do we get there? Start with learning the basics of coding from online resources like Code Academy or Khan Academy. Then we can slowly progress towards understanding the nuances of app development. Once our app is ready, we can generate income from it through advertisements, in-app purchases, or even by selling it to a company. Number 3. Esports competitions. This one is for the gaming enthusiasts out there. Esports, or competitive gaming, is exploding in popularity, and it's time we hopped on the bandwagon. If we have a passion for a certain game, and we're pretty good at it, why not take it to the next level? Esports competitions often come with substantial prize pools. Along with the prize money, streaming our gaming sessions on platforms like Twitch or YouTube can also generate income. Not to mention the sponsorships and brand deals that follow as we grow our audience. Number 4. Dropshipping. E-commerce is a booming industry, and dropshipping is one of its most profitable models. The best part? We don't have to handle any physical products. Our job is to build an enticing online store, market the products, and provide stellar customer service. The rest, right from maintaining inventory to shipping, is taken care of by the suppliers. Dropshipping allows us to become entrepreneurs with minimal upfront investment. It's a venture where our marketing prowess and customer relationship skills can truly shine. Number 5. Online tutoring. If there's a subject we're passionate about and have a knack for, online tutoring could be our calling. The feeling of helping someone understand a complex concept is rewarding in itself, but it becomes even sweeter when we can make money doing it. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com allow us to connect with students across the globe. However, building an engaging teaching methodology is as important as having subject knowledge. By making our classes interesting and interactive, will surely stand out from the crowd. Number 6. Content creation on Web3 platforms. Web3, or the decentralized internet, is the newest frontier for content creators. Web3 platforms such as Decentraland or Mirror offer a unique avenue to share our creativity, be it through virtual real estate, digital art, or written content. The decentralized aspect of Web3 means that we as creators have more control and ownership over our content. Plus, we also get to be part of cutting-edge technology that's poised to redefine the internet as we know it. Number 7. Subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are like monthly Christmas gifts, and who doesn't love that? Whether it's books, beauty products, or snacks, subscription boxes are a hit. We can curate a selection of products in a niche we're passionate about. More than the products, it's the unboxing experience that counts. A handwritten thank you note, personalized packaging, and a well-thought-out selection can make customers eagerly await their next box. Number 8. Stock photography. Stock photography is an often overlooked goldmine. A captivating photo can speak volumes, and if we have a talent for photography, this is our cue. Platforms like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock can become sources of a steady stream of income as our photos are bought by businesses and individuals. It's essential, though, to understand what kind of photos to sell. High-quality, unique images with good composition and lighting are key. Stock photography is also an exciting way to build our portfolio as photographers. Number 9. Pet services. Let's talk about something for animal lovers. Pets are family, and offering services like pet sitting or dog walking can be immensely fulfilling. Rover and Wag are platforms where we can offer our services. Building trust is paramount here. Being knowledgeable about different pet breeds and their care can make us the go-to person for pet services in our community. Plus, there's the added perk of spending time with adorable animals. Number 10. Customized merchandise. Last but definitely not least, customized merchandise. Platforms like Teespring and Zazzle allow us to loose our creative spirits. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases, the options are endless. The key is to find our niche. Are we good at designing quirky quotes? Or is intricate artwork more our style? Find what resonates with the audience and then market it effectively. As we wrap up this journey through the treasure trove of secrets, remember, the keys are now in your hands. The path to greatness is paved with action and persistence. Your youthful energy and unwavering ambition are your greatest assets. So forge ahead with a spirit that knows no bounds. Build, create, and shape the future you envision. Let the world watch in awe as you rise to unparalleled heights. This is your moment. Seize it. Until we meet again, stay bold and unstoppable.